Hi guys, today my mom and I are making the Chutney Bharta. It is the jackfruit seed chutney. This is a Bangladeshi food. If you didn't know, the jackfruit seeds are edible and they are very delicious. They taste like chestnuts and they are nutritious and great for your skin health. This is how the fruit looks like, and it can weigh up to 50 to 100 pounds. When you open it up, you'll see individual fruits or petal, and each petal comes with a seed. You can cook the seeds with any combination of food like fish, meat, or vegetables. My favorite is when my mom cooks it with beef. You can add the seeds with any combination of food. Also, you can roast it or grill it and eat it as a snack or make a chutney out of it, like a bharta, which is what we are going to share with you today. So first, we are going to peel off the shell. The shell is a little hard and it's very crispy, so it'll come off easily. And then we're going to cut it in half and wash it up and boil it to make it soft. So you're going to boil this until it's soft. You can keep the shell if you want to roast it or grill it, then peel the shell off before eating. So while the jackfruit seeds are boiling, we are going to prepare all the other ingredients for the chutney. It can take up to 20 to 30 minutes for the seeds to soften. When the seeds are soft, you can get rid of the excess water and leave it on the stove top on low heat to evaporate the remaining water. We want the seeds very dry. So now we are going to heat up dry red chili pepper. The point of heating up the pepper is to make the pepper crunchy. It gives a nice smoky and hot flavor. So be careful with this pepper, it can be very spicy. Also, we need a few garlic cloves. If you want, you can also roast the garlic cloves if you don't like the raw taste of it. And then half of a small red onion. It doesn't have to be red onion, it can be any kind of onion. And a tablespoon of chopped cilantro. Now we are going to blend all the ingredients together. The jackfruit seed, the onion, and the garlic. And then we're going to add the red chili peppers and blend that in as well with the other ingredients that we have. Okay, so when all the ingredients are blended very well, we're going to add the chopped cilantro and about less than a half teaspoon of salt. You can add the salt with, according to your taste. And my mom will give it a mix with her hand. And that is it, guys. This chutney or bharta, it's great served with white rice as a side dish.